Okay, so if you've ever been in a situation where you felt really hopeless, well, here's my story. So about I want to say a year ago, I was on social media, I was on Instagram, and I get this random message from this person just saying a quick hello. And usually when I get strange requests, like I usually just delete them, block them like right away. But something felt off. Like I had just gone through a falling out with a close friend, and I guess I kind of needed someone to talk to. So I responded with hello, and it started with just casual conversation like, "Hi, how are you? How's life? Where are you from?" Like, and I never gave any personal information. Like, I never gave them my address or anything. But one day, this person says to me, like, I need your help. I say, "Okay, what's up?" And this person says, um, I'm struggling financially, and I need some help. I need some money. And I thought, okay, I can't really help with that, but I I can give you some advice. And she was insistent that she was broke. So I said, okay, here's like 50 bucks. I sent this person 50 bucks, and that's it. Like that's all you're gonna get. And eventually, like I thought that was gonna be the end of it, right? But no. Uh, this person kept asking for more money, and I I honestly should have blocked them at this point, but every time I tried to back out of it, she kept emotionally manipulating me. Like if I tried to say, this isn't right, she would say something like, you know, I'm struggling, and if you don't help me, this is gonna happen to me. Like I'm gonna die, I'm gonna starve. If you don't help me, like I'm gonna die, and this is gonna be all your fault. So of course, I ended up helping her out a little more. So it got to a point where it was just like, okay, this isn't right. And I ended up blocking this person. But at that point, I realized I I had given this person a bunch of money, and I was, for all intents and purposes, broke. And it was just a life lesson for me, like don't trust strangers, and don't always believe everything you see or hear. I kind of had to learn the hard way, but uh, I'm I'm getting through with it, I'm not going to make that mistake again.